Crude prices are up, gasoline prices are up, as Susie just mentioned, and this coming week we get the latest earnings from some of the world's biggest energy companies. Jackie DeAngelis has a look at what's ahead.
The S&P 500 energy large cap sector has seen roughly a 15% gain year to date. But it's a middle-of-the-road performance when compared to the other sectors. So will earnings give energy companies a jolt?
Energy companies have come under pressure this year as falling Brent prices have impacted their earnings as well as falling production volumes.
BP is the first to report on Tuesday. The company beat expectations last quarter, helped by 2 new oil fields and strong trading profits. But analysts typically strip out the special items and look for adjusted profit to be ahead of consensus. BP is still fighting lawsuits over the Deepwater Horizon disaster more than 3 years ago, recently seeking to halt spill claim payments as possible misconduct is investigated. A federal judge denied that request.
I think BP's earnings are going to be weighed down by claims resulting from the Macondo well spill from a number of years ago. In addition, BP is finishing up its multi-billion-dollar modernization project at its Whiting refinery, so it's not going to see any accrued earnings from that project really until the end of 2013.
On Thursday, we hear from ExxonMobil. Analysts are expecting revenues to be down from the prior year on a percentage basis in the teens, but they are looking for an EPS beat. Of course, that will depend on how margins are trending and how Exxon is managing its costs.
I expect that Exxon is going to beat its expectations. The refining sector is going to weigh down Exxon's results, but on the other hand, natural gas prices are 15% higher in the second quarter compared to the first quarter, and that's going to help boost their earnings.
Finally, on Friday, we hear from Chevron. Wall Street is expecting both revenue and earnings to show a drop from the same quarter last year when the company reported a big earnings beat. If CVX surprises like that again, you could see this stock pop. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.